So this is the December Pretty Obsessed beauty box. Yes, it's another beauty box I've just signed up to. So let's check it out and hopefully it's good. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So today's video I have another unboxing for you, and straight away I'm going to admit I have a problem, but I don't need any help because I realise I have a problem, but I keep signing up to beauty boxes. This is another one. So a subscriber, I don't know if she wants to be named or not, so I'm not going to name the person, but a subscriber commented on one of my videos mentioning this box, and I kind of had a look at the box and subscribed. So yeah, but it's not my fault. So this is the December Pretty Obsessed box. Let's get it out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join the YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit the notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. I have a future giveaway going on at the moment, so I'm going to leave a video here. If you click that, it's going to show you what the 3 prizes are. The top prize being the Glossy Box 2021 Advent Calendar, which is absolutely amazing. The other 2 prizes are really good as well. So have a look at that, and if you are not subscribed, get subscribed. Right, so here is the box. Very pretty. I do like it. It's a very muted pink, with silver riding on. So straight away, shiny me likey. Let's have a little sneak peek inside. Right, so this is inside the box. We have a card here. Oh, it's just on about referring friends. So I actually have a referral link. I'll pop it in the information box and the comment box. If you click that link and get your box, you'll get free postage on it, which is always good. So they do 3 types of boxes on their website. Right, so the 3 beauty boxes you can sign up to. The first one is called Lashes for Life, where you get 5 pairs of lashes that are cruelty free every month, and that starts from £10, or well, £9.99 I should say. The next box they do is called Premium Beauty Box, where you receive 5 full-size products every month. And let's have a look. That starts from £14.99. You can subscribe for 3, 6 or 12 months, and I think it gets slightly cheaper the more months you subscribe for. Or the last box that they do, which is the one I've got, because I can't just go half in, I have to dive straight in. It's called the Luxury Beauty Box, where you receive 10 full-size products every month. Again, if you do a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription, it gets cheaper every month, but that starts from £24.99. So I kind of got that one. So I've just moved everything up so you can have a quick sneak peek, but that's all you get. Let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we have. Right guys, so there is no edit card in here, so I've got no information on the products. So literally I'm just going to pick them up and read what information is on the packets of the products. So let's get started. So the first item we have is this. So this is by the brand Bubble Tea, and it's frozen winterberries, a bauble shower gel. Oh, okay, fab. So you get 150ml in here. It just says filled with sweet and fruity scent of our frozen winterberries bath and shower gel. This bauble is the perfect decoration for your bathroom. Oh my god, I really love the sound of that. I'm so glad it's not just a bath product, that it is actually a shower gel too. This is what it looks like. It's really cute. I'm loving the colour. Let's have a sniff. Oh, it's very nice. It's quite a faint scent actually, but it's very nice. Yeah, that's going straight to my shower. The second product we have is this. So this is Primer Lash Basics. You get 5 pairs in here. What is the information? They are called Zara, I think, yeah. Our range of vegan-friendly synthetic lashes are handmade with love. From natural looking to full-on glam, enhance any look with originality and flair. Okay, I don't actually use lashes, if I'm 100% honest with you. So that is going to go in a box that I keep loads of stuff in for future giveaways. So that's where that's going. But that's a really good product to have. Them lashes look absolutely gorgeous. The third product we have is this. So it's by the brand Figs and Rouge, and it's Wonderlove Clarity. I actually have this already and it's open. So I'm going to leave this one sealed. I'm going to get my open one. I'll be just a moment. This is what the bottle looks like. As you can see, I've used some. And it just says sublime, lightweight and micro refining serum helps blah, blah, I can't even talk. Uncover skin's natural clarity. It is very, very nice. You pop it on. Let me just remind myself, it's been a little while. Yeah, as you can see, it's quite thick. It holds its shape when you drop it on the skin. So let's just rub that in. Yeah, so you can feel like little micro beads in there. I suppose that's part of the exfoliation process of it. It smells alright, smells quite nice. Nothing spectacular, but it's alright. And your skin feels really hydrated afterwards. It is very, very nice. You can't really see anything on there. But yeah, it's an okay product. Right guys, so the next product I've actually received it already this month in another beauty box I've unboxed. It is this. Guys, this is amazing. I love this product so much. So it's by the brand Doctor's Cosmeceutical Skincare Formula, and it's Beauty Blur. Feel skin confident with a photo finish effect in a flash. Minimise the appearance of pores, fine lines and uneven skin texture. Helps to lock in moisture and keep makeup in place. Like I say guys, I love this. I've worn it a few times now to work. I've stopped wearing foundation at work because it's pointless. I go to work and within a few hours, like my foundation cracks, it moves, it's not good. And it takes a lot of confidence for me not to wear foundation because I've got melasma. I don't think you can really see it there, but I've got melasma on either side of my face. But this, it is really, really good. Obviously, it's got no pigment in it. You can still see my melasma. But yeah, it just smooths skin out and it is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So very, very happy to get this. This is expensive as well. This is what, £79 I think it was, 69, £79. So super happy to get this again. So product number 5 we have is this. We have a little treat for our feet here. As far as I can tell, it's by the brand Professor Herb, and it's Dead Sea Foot Scrub with peppermint and sweet almond oil. It softens and smooths the skin. It revives and re-energizes dull skin, and it buffs away dead skin. So overall, sounds really, really good. There's 100 grams in here. It sounds very, very interesting indeed. I can't wait to try that. That looks really, really cool. The 6th product we have is this. It's by the brand OK. I've tried a few products from this brand now and they've actually been really, really good. They're a really affordable brand. And this is Bubble Pop and Fizz. Okay, it's a bubble mask, exfoliates and deeply cleanses. Happiness every day. Let's have a look. So cleanse the face, whack the mask on and leave it for 10 minutes, and then remove the mask and rinse your face. Plain, simple, to the point. You bet I'll be doing a video on this. I still need to sort my face mask drawer out because I want to do a face mask series, so I best get to do that really. Product number 7 is this. So it's by the brand Give Them La La Beauty. What is it? I have no idea what it is. It says La La Hydra Matte. Okay, so is this a liquid lipstick, I wonder? In the shade I Love You. Ooh. Yeah, it is a liquid lipstick. That is a red. Wow. Let's do a little swatch. Oh my god, guys, it's pigmented. It is pigmented. Look at that. That's such a nice red colour as well. That's beautiful. Ooh, it felt nice and creamy putting it on. The real test will come when I actually put it on my lips. I've actually already got something on my lips, but maybe I'll report back on Instagram and see how that wears, but it looks stunning. So the last 3 products in the box are all by the same brand, Lord & Berry. So we'll start off with this one. Let's have a look. Okay, it says Conceal It Stick Concealer. Since when do they do concealers in boxes? Ooh, that's dangerous, isn't it? Oh, it's a sponge. Right, yeah, it says there, Conceal It Blender Sponge. That's different. That's very different. What colour is this? Ivory. Okay, that might actually, yeah, I can get away using that colour. That's bizarre. Did I fill in a questionnaire when I joined about my skin tone? Because I can't remember doing it. I must have, because that's my tone. Hopefully, if you're darker skinned, you get the right one for you. So that's what that one looks like. That is a very good match for me. Oh my goodness. It feels nice and creamy. Hopefully that's not too thick under my eye area. But yeah, that looks all right. Okay, I'm kind of shocked. So the next product from Lord & Berry, product number 9, is this. What are you? Day and Night Lash and Brow Growth Serum. Ooh. Can't get it open. And there it is there. This looks very familiar. Have I received this before in another beauty box? I might have done. Oh, I've tore the box open now. I could have put it in a giveaway if I've already received it, but never mind. I might actually try it and do a little video and see how it goes. But yeah, it just says for Day and Night Lash and Brow Growth Serum. Not really much information on there. Is there any on the box? I kind of just threw that away there. And it just says for night and day is an innovative lash and brow serum. It's infused with a special formulation of vegetable sprout extracts, vitamins, antioxidants and amino acids to promote stronger, fuller, bolder looking lashes and brows in just 4 to 6 weeks, with full results in just 2 months. I might actually, should I do a video? Comment below if you would like me to do a video and I can document we'll do for a month, say. I'll document for the next month, seeing how this goes. So there it is there. Yeah, that does look very, very familiar. And the very last product in the box is this. So this is an eye pencil. Yeah, let's rip this open. So there it is there. It is in the shade Argento. Oh, it's silver. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. I love it. There it is there. Oh, that's going to look so good. Because my grey hairs are growing in. I'm growing my grey hairs out, I should say. And I've got this bit bleached blonde. So I can tone it silver so it kind of goes with my roots. I think that is going to go lovely because I got this lightened so I could tone it silver, and I think that eyeliner is just going to totally go with the look. Oh, I love it. Hey guys, so this is my December Pretty Obsessed beauty box. What do you think? Hi guys, so personally I do not regret signing up to this beauty box for one product alone, and that is this. That product is so expensive and we've got it in here. So it cost me £25 for the box and I've already got my money's worth with that one product. But overall, it's a really, really good box. I am loving the contents in this. I am so happy that I've signed up. And I shouldn't be because I've got too many beauty stuff and I'm signed up to too many boxes, but never mind. My excuse is it's so I can do it for my YouTube channel. So let's just stick with that. Let me know if you subscribe to Pretty Obsessed or if you are interested in signing up. As I say, if you are interested in signing up, click the link down below in the information box or the comment box. You'll get free delivery. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.